Want this? Before we start the tutorial, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because on this channel I share powerful CapCut tutorials that actually level up your editing skills. This tutorial will save you hours of editing time. So subscribe now and don't miss golden time to become professional editing. That's all. Let's go to the tutorial.
Go to Effect and choose Video Effect. Choose Rebound Swing. Set speed, sizes and intensity like I'm doing. Set the effect for half a video. Now add the halftone overlay. You can find it in Pinterest or screenshot in here. Choose Splice and select Soft, and set the opacity to 40. Add the keyframe in start and ending the overlay, and follow how I'm doing. In the overlay, you have to choose Diagram and select Ease Out. Now you duplicate the overlay for each of all video. Doing same thing to the effect. Apply to all like I'm doing. Now you save and follow my settings.
If you enjoyed this, check out my next CapCut tutorial right here on the screen. It will level up your editing even more. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more easy CapCut tutorials. See you in the next one.